Morning student, welcome to e-learning classes. This is Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again student, lesson 9, inequalities of triangle. Examples. Here student, examples, question number 5. In the adjoining figure, this figure is given here, that's why written is, in the adjoining figure, ABC is a triangle and D is any point. D is not midpoint. D is any point in its interior. That means D is anywhere within the triangle A, B and C. So that BD plus DC is less than, this sign is called less than AB plus AC. Okay. Here student, by construction, D is the midpoint. D is the any point within the triangle ABC and draw DE on a line AC. Draw DE on a line AC. Okay. Solution. In triangle ABE. Look at it here student. In triangle ABE, we know that the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. So we can write this equation also. AB plus AE is greater than BE. Again student, AB plus AE is greater than B. B can be written as BD plus DE. Write down here student, BD plus DE. This is equation first. Again, in triangle, take another triangle, DEC. In triangle DEC. Okay. In triangle DEC. So we can write here DE plus DE plus EC. DE plus EC is greater than DC because DE plus EC is greater than DC. This is equation second. Okay, so here equation 1 plus equation 2. What will get here? Equation 1 plus equation 2. So write down here AB plus AE plus DE. This one plus EC, DE plus EC is greater than, same sign, BD plus DE plus DC. Okay student, so DE and DE is cut down. Why it is cut down? Because greater than is just like a equation. Is equal to, greater than just like a treated as a equal to. If suppose this value is positive, if suppose this value treated as a equation, suppose this value is positive, if this value moves here, then this value is negative. So so positive and negative is cut down. Okay, so here is greater than treated as a equation, means equal to. Okay, so this value is cancelled of this value. After that, AB plus AE plus EC is greater than BD plus DC. Okay, here AB plus, look at here, AE plus EC, AE plus EC can be written as AC. So here, a small bracket, this value is equal to AC, is greater than BD plus DC. Suppose student 5 is greater than 2. This is the right equation, 5 is greater than 2. So we can write here in another way, 2 is less than 5. Yes or no? So in this case, we can write here BD plus DC is less than AB plus AC. Look at the question here, student. BD plus DC is less than AB plus AC. This is your proof. Okay, student. I hope you will understand this question. The next question is here, question number 6. Example. Example of exercise 9B. Example of exercise 9B, question number 6. In the given figure, that means this figure is given here, AP is perpendicular to QR. AP is perpendicular to QR. And PR is greater than PQ. That means PR is greater than PQ. This side is longer than this side. Okay. And PQ is equal to PS. That means this side is equal to this side. They are given. So that AR is greater than AQ. That means this side is longer than this side. AR is greater than AQ. Okay. Take two triangle. Triangle AQP and triangle AQP and triangle ASP. AQP and ASP. In these two triangles, student, QP is equal to SP. QP, yeah, PQ is equal to SP. This information is given. This is the given information. Okay. Angle APQ is equal to angle APS 90 degree. This is also given. Angle APQ is equal to APS because AP is perpendicular to QR. So we can write here this angle is equal to this angle by 90 degree. And third case is AP is equal to AP common. AP is equal to AP common. So triangle AQP is congruent to triangle ASP. Region is side angle side. By side angle side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. By CPCT, we can write here angle 1. Suppose this is angle 1 and suppose this is angle 2. So we can write here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Okay. By CPCT, we can write here again, student, in triangle ASR. Look at the triangle ASR. In triangle ASR, we know that angle 2 is equal to angle R plus, suppose student, this angle is 3. Write down any name. Always solve the problem by the naming. Okay. It will be easy for everyone. Okay. So angle 2 is equal to angle R plus angle 3. We can write here exterior angle property. By exterior angle property, angle 2 is equal to angle R plus angle 3. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. So here, student, angle 2 is greater than angle R. You can write angle 2 is greater than angle R, as well as angle 2 is greater than angle 3. But whatever you need, you just take that point. Okay. So angle 2 is greater than angle R. So angle 2 is greater than angle R. That means we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Look at here. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So in place of angle 2, we can write angle 1. So angle 1 is greater than angle R. Here angle 1 is greater than angle R. So in front of angle 1, in complete triangle, that means triangle AQR. In triangle AQR, the opposite angle is angle 1. Okay. So angle the opposite side of angle 1 is AR. The opposite side of angle 1 is AR. So in place of angle 1, we can write AR is greater than the opposite side of angle R is AQ. So we can write here AQ. Okay. So AR is greater than, this is your proof. Okay student, look at the proof. This one is proof and AR is greater than 80. I hope student you will understand question number 6. Here last question student, question number 4. Prove that the perimeter of a triangle. Prove that the perimeter of a triangle. That means perimeter means what? The boundary of a triangle. AB, BC, AC. These are the perimeter of a triangle. Is greater than the sum of its three medians. That means here AD is the median, BE is also median, and CF is median. We know that from theorem number 6. From theorem number 6, the sum of any two sides is greater than the twice drawn median drawn to the third side. So we can write here AB plus AC is greater than 2 times of AD. This is equation first. If AD is the median, okay? If BE is the median, so we can take BC plus AB is greater than 2 times of BE. BC plus AB is greater than 2 times of BE. This is equation 2. Second. And the third equation, if CF is the median, so BC plus AC is greater than 2 times of CF. So write down BC plus AC is greater than 2 times of CF. This is equation 3. Adding these equations, student. So here AB 2 times. So 2 times of AB plus 2 times of BC. Here is the BC, and 2 times of AC plus 2 times of AC. Sign is same as greater than. Here 2 times of AB plus 2 times of BE plus 2 times of CF. Take 2 is the common, so AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2 times of AD, 2 is the common, BE plus CF. Here student 2 and 2 cut down because greater than is treated as an equation, so we can cut here, okay? So the final equation is AB plus BC plus AC. These are the sides of a triangle, is greater than AD plus BE plus CF. These are the medians of a triangle. That means the sum of all perimeter of a triangle is greater than the median drawn to this triangle, okay? That means prove that the perimeter of a triangle is greater than the sum of its three median. Okay? So according to question, this is your proof. Okay student, I hope you will understand this question. So student, your homework is make examples of exercise 9b. Make examples of exercise 9b. Question number 1 to 6. Okay student, make examples of exercise 9b, question number 1 to 6. If you have any problem, then ask the question. Okay, thank you.